May I, my lordship?
Yes.
My lord, I would like to mention item number 23rd. On behalf of the item number 23rd of 23, my lord, RFA. Oh, with caveat. Regarding this matter, my lord, I took the concern of the petitioner side. The respondent counsel, the Medisar is some medical issues unable to appear. So may I fix the matter on 6th of October, my lord. For both the convening of the parties. I took the concern of the other party also.
Mr. So-and-so
in Bakra.
submits that Mr. D. Medhi, the learned counsel for the respondent, is indisposed. And therefore seeks adjournment of the case on 6th of 11, 2023.
October, my lord.
6/10,
6/10.
2022. Listed accordingly.
Depublish, my lord.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 16.
6/16.
Yes, 16. I'm on behalf of the petitioner counsel who is out of station. I want to pray to adjourn the matter after 5 or 6 weeks.
Item 16. Yeah.
16, yes.
Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Okay, much obliged.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, please.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 3, man.
Okay. Yes, please.
My lord, in item number 3, my lord, I was supposed to take press statement. I will take it today, man.
Let's see the record. Okay, let's see the record. Let it come as per the list. Let it come as per the list. We'll grant.
My lord, I have another mention, my lord.
Yes, please.
My lord, item number 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, man.
11,
12, 13, 14, and 15, man.
11 is with 10. Item 10,
Yes, yes, man.
one by one, make a mention one by one. Let us see. Item 10. Item 10.
Yes, my lord, item number.
You are for the,
My lord, in item number, I'm not in item number 10, my lord. However, in 11, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
for the appellant.
Yes, my for the appellant, man.
So what is your priority?
My lord, the counsel, leading counsel, Mr. Deepang is
Okay.
out of station, my lord, due to some personal difficulties.
Mr. So-and-so. The learned submits that the Mr. D. Pangil, the learned counsel for the respondent,
Petitioner, my lord.
for the
Petitioner in item number,
appellant
appellant, my lord.
in RFA 3/2018 is out of station. And therefore seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. You were all hand in gloves.
No, my lord. That's why, my lord. Now, in this case, my lord, the director has been released on bail by this honorable court, who made the illegal appointment. And the deputy director school education, under which I work, my lord, he has also been released on bail, my lord, by the learned court. I'm the lowest rung officer in this case. I have no hand in making illegal appointment. I cannot make money. As I said, I'm not even a regular accountant. And I have been in the custody for almost 2 months now, madam. And the top rung officials have already been released, madam. The only objection that was raised by the SIC is that, madam, I might influence the
SIC means?
a special investigation cell, madam, which my brothers are representing.
Vigilance Department. ma'am.
Yes, madam. Their only apprehension is that if I am released on bail, I might tamper with the documents of the office, madam. Your lordship is aware, as soon as an officer is put into custody for 40 years, madam, as per the 10(2) of CCA rule, I'm deemed suspended, my lord. How I can even enter the office of DDSC? My lord?
Whether any order of suspension has been issued against you?
No, it's not needed, but as a deemed suspended, my lord, in the service rule, my lord.
Unless there is order of suspension, how can we,
My lord, now, my lord,
how can we dim it?
no, my lord, that is under the rule, my lord. So, my lord, my submission is that, my lord, my lord, the office is under the custody of Deputy Director School Education, my lord. I'm not the, my lord, custodian of that office, my lord. When the,
Learned Counsel,
yes, my lord.
you take chance in another court. For as PC Act is concerned, I think,
It is up to your lordship, my lord. I oblige, my lord.
okay,
Yes, my lord.
and during my last working days.
I'm obliged, my lord. I bow to your lordship's opinion.
We'll list it on Monday, you take a chance.
Monday is second
On
month,
second. We'll list it on-
third month. Second is Gandhi Jayanti.
It'll be on fourth then, my lord.
Third, then, can it?
We'll list it on third or fourth,
Third month, third. Third.
My lord.
Yes.
list it again on third,
Yes, ma'am.
My lord.
3/10/20.
Because CD is already there. Ma'am.
Yes,
Obliged.
yes. What is this?
My lord, this is bail application order 439. In connection with the Machuca PS case number 02/2023. And my lord, the applicant here is the husband of the accused person. The alleged accused person is a co-accused in the present police case. The accused person was arrested on 1/9/2023 by on strength of order dated 31/8/2023 passed by the learned special court, special judge.
Why so many? Why so many respondents?
My lord, this is the POCSO case.
Huh?
There are 21 victims.
That makes the case more serious again.
But here in the case, the petitioner, the accused person is
Notice has been issued.
no, my lord, this is the first day.
Issue notice.
Yes,
issue
yes,
notice.
yes, ma'am. My lord, since the Honorable Principal Court, the Chief Justice, has taken the suo motu of this case, and they have appointed learned Dangan.
You have
As a-
respondents
Yes.
The victim, Lordship.
for all the
Victim,
victims.
Yes, Lordship.
So I may be.
For all the victims. What is the case about, Mr. PP? Poxo case. Why so many victims?
My lord, since there's a commission of offense against all the victims, my lord.
You are representing the
The appellant, I'm for the
respondent.
respondent. My lord, in fact, the appellant who were the defendants who were the judgment debtors in the trial court have complied with the decree. The issue only remains is whether the decree holder is entitled to the rate of interest which was decreed in favor of the respondent. Therefore, my lord, this case may be fixed for supplementary hearing.
Lordship, during the lower court, they had claimed that I had taken a loan of 1,40,000 crores, that which I have paid during the course of trial. Lordship, I have paid the entire amount, that which my brother is also admitting. Lordship, Judgment and degree is on page 18, Lordship. That is the.
Mr. So-and-so. The learned counsel for the appeal. Stop. This application has been filed. This appeal has been filed under section 96. Read with order 41 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 and section 15 clause 2 of the Arunachal Pradesh Civil Codes Act 2021. Against the order dated 3/2/2023 was by the learned civil judge, senior division in IA number 262/2022, in money suit number 84/2022, and the impugned judgment and degree dated 3/3/2023 passed by the learned civil judge, senior division, Capital Complex, UPA, in money suit number 84/2022. So, Mr.
RL Tungan. RL Tungan.
So-and-so appears for the sole respondent. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. Listed for hearing on,
After Puja,
listed for hearing after 2 weeks.
Lordship, since there is an execution petition against the appellant, that is the defendant, no, that may be that since my friend also has submitted the principal amount money we have given, we have paid back that amount to the respondent is a plenty in the court below. So as such, Lordship, the only the matter which we have to discuss here is whether the rate of.
What is your submission?
yes, it is admitted that they have paid the entire principal amount.
The execution proceedings, which is pending in,
Civil Judge Senior Division,
which is pending in what case number?
execution number 02 of 2023.
Have you mentioned?
Lordship, we have,
You have nowhere mentioned that.
while before filing this Lordship, it was not filed.
Okay, we cannot, when you have not mentioned that. Okay,
Objection.
yes, next.
DW.
This petition came up earlier also.
What is this?
My lord, it pertains to the same case, my lord, item number 22, my lord. That illegal appointment of teachers, my lord.
My lord, after the last date the matter was moved, he appeared before the IO. His statement was recorded under 161. Now, only question is, my lord, whether custodial intervention necessary, because this is an anticipatory bail application under 438. And he's only an employee.
You have appeared before the IO.
Yes,
So where is the question of now granting you anticipatory?
I filed the application earlier. After that, I appeared. During the pendency of this application, I appeared. Director is a person who issued the appointment letter. I have not issued the appointment.
Have you produced the case diary?
Yes, my lord. My lord, it's there.
Where is the relevant page? Same.
It's the same case, my lord.
Now, he was working in the directorate, my lord, at that point of time, and
On which date have you listed the other case?
on third, my lord.
You take a chance on third. Take a chance on third. Listed again on
Third,
3/10/2023 along with the analogous matter.
yes, my lord.
Okay,
Yes, my lord.
and
No,
along with, that is analogous,
yes, my lord. Not anyway, well, it pertains to the same,
along with.
The
you
same
give me
case.
Case number, along with,
my lord.
you give me the case number. Mr. Mazumdar, you take a chance on third. PC Act, I am not very interested.
Otherwise, the only question to be considered by your lordship is quite humble in saying that PC Act. Otherwise, now in my case, at least since I have appeared and I'm participating and cooperating with the investigation, only question to be decided whether custodial interrogation is necessary or not. I am participating, I am not running away from it.
You take a chance on third, please. Okay,
As a lordship also.
yes, please.
My lord, I had supposed to take press instead upon respondent. my lord. I will,
Have you taken
yes, I have taken, my lord.
fresh steps? It says fresh steps not yet taken.
Yes, my lord.
The office note 2/9/2023. When did you take fresh steps?
My lord, I will take today itself.
Oh, you have not taken?
Yes, my lord.
Take steps.
Yes, my lord.
Fresh steps upon respondent.
Yes, my lord.
Which respondent?
Sole respondent, my lord.
Huh? Sole respondent?
No, my lord, respondent 1, 2, and 3, my lord.
Arey bhai. By what? Registered post?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so submits that. The learner counsel for the petitioner
Petitioner, my lord.
submits that. He may be allowed to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 1, 2, and 3 by registered post with AD within a period of,
Within a week, my lord.
within a period of 7 days from today. Prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks.
Oh, letter.
May I submit, my lord?
Yes.
It seems, my lord, notice, my lord, to respondent number 2, my lord, it's not complete, my lord,
Complete.
not completed, my lord. So my prayer that I may be allowed to, my lord, take service of my to the respondent number 2, my lord, through OCPS Daporism, my lord.
That order was there 21/8/2023.
My lord, I have taken that service also, my lord, but it seems, my lord, that has been not complete, my lord, the serve, my lord.
Respondent number 2 counsel was appeared lawsuit.
Appeared.
Appear, my lord, in IA, my lord, that was a separate proceeding, my lord, in condonation application, my lord, he appeared, my lord. But as per, I need to, I believe, my lord, I need to serve the copy of the appeal also, my lord.
That was in a condonation application, my lord.
You take steps once again.
Yes, my lord. I will, my lord. Through, that's why, my lord, I am praying, my lord, through OCPS Daporia, my lord.
Mr. Senso, the learned counsel for the appellate shall once again take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 through the officer in charge.
Daporia, my lord.
Dapur-
Police station Daporia, my lord.
Dapur Rijab
Daporia.
Police Station. Within a period of,
3 days, my lord.
within a period of 3 days from today. And file affidavit to that effect. Listed after 3 weeks,
4 weeks, my lord. 4 weeks, my lord. Daporia legally pare.
listed after 4 weeks.
Obvious.
May Lordship, service against the respondent, Lordship, private respondent, Lordship. One, Lordship, completed, Lordship.
Pardon?
Private service against the private respondent, Lordship, service is completed, Lordship. That is in the plague, Lordship.
Notice in respect of. Against acquittal,
Yes, Lordship, against the acquittal, Lordship.
heard Mr. So and so. Learned counsel for the appeal. And Mr. G Tado, correct?
Yes.
The learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Start. Seeing the office note 26/9/2023, as well as the letter dated 25/9/2023, written to the Deputy Registrar J, Guwahati High Court, Itanagar Permanent Bench, UPR, by the office of the Chief Judicial Magistrate, cum Civil Judge, Senior Division, SIPA, East Coming District. Stating service of notice on the respondent number 2. Stop. The notice upon the respondent number two is therefore deemed served. Listed for hearing or paper book necessary?
May Lordship, respondent number one, Lordship.
Respondent number one
Yes, Lordship.
is the state.
No,
Lordship, one is the Lordship, in petition Lordship, one is the private Lordship.
Where respondent number two? Respondent number one. Respondent number one is the,
Yes. Equital person Lordship.
correct. Respondent number one. Wherever respondent number two, one, okay. Paper book necessary? Or
Lordship.
yes, your lordship, this is
Yes.
an appeal against acquittal
Yes, Lordship.
for an offense under section 302 IPC. As per High Court notifications, right now I don't have that copy. The punishment which is more than 10 years has to be taken up by the division bench. And same may be my understanding is that some may be before division bench.
listed before the appropriate bench.
Yes, I will,
Then what about?
I will punish
What
the,
about notice deemed served?
uh,
Am I competent to pass that order?
yes, I will supply the, punish the copy.
Notice is deemed served.
Notice deemed served, notice deemed served.
Am I competent to pass that order?
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
actually, the matter has to be listed before the division.
This court, no, notice is as per office noted. Office notice has been completed. So it may be recorded.
Okay. Listed before the appropriate.
Appropriate.
Okay.
Oblige.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, Lordship, here this service of notice, Lordship, upon respondent number one, sole respondent, Lordship, is still awaited.
Return service report in respect of the sole respondent awaited, listed after 3 weeks.
Oblige.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
This is a criminal petition, my lord, under section 482 CRPC for causing of the FIR of the Anni PS 04 of 2023, my lord.
Well, listed for hearing. Okay,
Okay, my lord.
Step not taken by the petitioner.
pardon?
Step upon R2 and R3, private respondent 2 and 3. As per office note, not yet taken.
You take steps upon respondent number 2 and 3.
And petitioner is avoiding since admission of this case on 9/5/23. And second,
9, just wait.
yes, 29/7 matter came up,
Don't
23/8,
rush things, wait, let me see, 9/5,
9/5/23.
9/5/23.
This court, honorable court directed to take step.
Where is that order? 9/5/2023. I am not saying it. 9/5/29,
23,
29/5.
29/5. Sorry, 29/5. And matter came up on,
Why have you not taken steps?
Steps have been already taken, my lord.
no, as per
1 week ago, my lord. My junior friend, you have already taken the steps, my lord.
Has not taken steps for causing service of notice upon respondent number 2 and 3.
My friend has already taken steps, my lord. He has informed me.
When the report says that no step has been taken,
I
how
will-
can you insist? We'll dismiss your petition if
No,
you're
no,
not
I-
interested.
No, my lord, I will take the fresh steps, my lord.
The record shows that you have not taken steps. Why are you insisting?
It's my fault, my lord, because I myself not taken the steps myself, my lord.
And since 29/5/2023, What is this?
Within 2 days, my lord, I will take the steps, my lord. Otherwise, today itself, my lord, I will take the steps.
Will impose cost. 5,000 rupee. Will allow.
Oblige, my lord.
Third, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. G. Tato, the learned senior, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state respondents. By the order dated 29/5/2023. This court had directed this court had directed that notice to respondent number 2 and 3. This court had directed to issue notice to the respondent number 2 and 3 by registered post with AD, returnable within 4 weeks. So the office dated 26/9/2023 shows that the learned counsel for the petitioner has not taken steps for causing service of notice upon respondent number 2 and 3 till date. The respondent, the learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed further 7 days time to serve the notice upon respondent number 2 and 3 by registered post with AD.
Oblige, my lord.
A cost of rupees 5,000 is also imposed on the petitioner for not complying with the court's order dated 29/5/2023 till date. The cost shall be realized to the Arunachal High Court Bar Association,
Yes.
Arunachal Pradesh. The cost shall be paid within a period of 3 days from today, listed after 3 weeks.
Highly.
Oblige, my lord.
We'll finish it. We'll finish.
May Lordship, I on behalf of G. Kato Lordship, this matter may be passed over for next week, Lordship.
Next week.
Lordship.
Just
He has some personal difficulties, Lordship.
Mr. Spencer
Jivam Lordship,
makes a mention on behalf of Mr.
G. Kato Lordship.
So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner,
Yes, Lordship.
and seeks adjournment of the case on,
Next week, Lordship.
give a date.
Uh, 26, Lordship.
26,
No, Lordship. Today is Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
next week means on
October, Lordship.
4th October,
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
okay, man,
Yes, Lordship.
on 4/10/2023.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Your lordship, I have filed one,
This is
Anticipated.
item. What is that, 16? Supplementary 16. Oh, supplementary. Okay, this is for motion. Yes, ma'am.
yes, lordship, I have filed one anticipatory bail under section 433, 438 of CRPC for granting of free arrest bail to the applicant Sri Charugania in connection with Kimin PS 0323. Your lordship, the section invoked.
Okay, ma'am, We grant pre-arrest bail, you produce the case there. Okay, the offense is not very serious.
Yes,
It's a fight between some man and woman,
yes, matrimonial dispute.
okay?
Yes,
So you produce the case diary. Okay, please. Third, MS Sensor, the learned counsel for the petitioner. The learned counsel for the applicant. This application has been filed, seeking for pre-arrest bail under section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure to the applicant who is apprehending arrest in connection with KMN PS case number 03/20
23.
03/23 under section 341, 323, 427, 354 IPC. The MSL Hagi, the learned additional public prosecutor, shall produce the case diary on the next date fixed. In the interim, pre-arrest bail is granted to the applicant on the following condition. That number one, that the application shall appear before the officer in charge of
Kimin PS.
of
Kimin PS.
Himing PS. On, ma'am, on appearance on
Anytime, Your Lordship.
within 2 days.
2 days, from here to within Your Lordship 10 days,
No, 10 days, no 10 days.
7 days, within 7 days.
Where does your applicant resides?
He's residing here only, Your
And
Lordship.
where is Himing PS?
Kim, please, from here it took 2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours. Okay. Shall appear before the officer in charge of so-and-so Himing Police Station on third, you appear on third, on 3/10/2023. Stop. Number two, the applicant shall not leave the jurisdiction of Himing Police Station without the prior permission of the officer in charge concerned of the said police station. Number three, that in the event of arrest of the applicant by the police, he shall be released on a bail bond of ₹10,000 with surety of the like amount. Number four, that the applicant shall not tamper with the evidence of the investigating agency or prosecution witnesses. Number five, violation of any of the other conditions shall lead to automatic cancellation of the bail. Listed again on fifth, okay? Yes,
Okay, Your
you
Lordship.
are staring at her?
No,
No,
yes.
okay, listed on 5/10/2023, okay?